So this is out right now. Joker, you can watch the trailer, and I'm gonna show you how to do this. Okay, so you can follow color grading central, and he's very dope. He's cinema grade, and I love him so much about everything he just does. So it's good. So I'm gonna use the same plugin like I said. Like, watch my previous videos, you will find everything out, like the site and everywhere to get it. So this is the footage right now. So I have everything. I'm gonna touch and show you how it works. Okay, so I have everything go to show you the process of how it works. So let's get to cinema grade. So let's start from here. Okay, so I'm gonna show you how it works. Let's start from this side. Exposure adjustments. To click here, hold it and drag it to top. Okay, to do something cool like this. Okay, then let's make it cool like this and move to the contrast and just work on the contrast. So I'm going to make the contrast look some cool like this, not too much dark, and we'll come up to exposure again and see how it's gonna be. Okay, so I'm gonna make it look like this, and let's check the before and after. Okay, so one thing I'm gonna do is that let's jump to saturation and just increase it just a little. Okay, just a little, and move to hue saturation adjustments, and just make the skin tone look like normal cool like this. Okay, and check it before and after. Okay, so I'll just increase the saturation just a little bit. Okay, but not much. So I just want to make it look cinematic. Okay, so let's see. Okay, so this is how it's gonna be. And color temperature, don't make it look like this, so make it look like cool like this. And let's just check it before and after. Okay, I will get it. So this is the before and after, before and after. So all you're going to do is that you're going to apply it, and you're going to receive it here. Okay, so that's how it works. Okay, so let's just jump to the scene and this cinema grid, and I'll just put into this and just move to open controls, and we're going to work on this scene too. And I'll start from contrast, and I'll hold here, drag it like this. Okay, that is, and move to exposure. Okay, so come cool down like this. Move to contrast. Okay, before and after. Okay, then go to here. So I'm gonna maintain into this level. First look like orange, like yellowish, and just orange, and then move to saturation and just increase it cool like this. Okay, cool like this, and let's check it before and after. Okay, now move to temperature, color temperature, and just add the orange, yellowish, and then just a little bit. Okay, let's check the before and after. Okay, as you can see, and apply it. Wow, so let's try. So let me just play and show you how it works. Wow, and move to the scene too. Okay, so I'm gonna start from here to drag it and move to it again. I love Joker, the color grading and everything works perfectly, and I love how they just put everything out like that. So this one is gonna be contrast. Okay, normal color like this. So I don't like this here. It looks so bright, and the highlights is too much. So I'm gonna take this exposure a little bit down like this. Okay, and let's shade it before and after. Okay, then I'll just move to hue, hue saturation, and click here where the green is and hold it. Okay, you need to get something like green like this, and just move to saturation and hold it. Okay, wow. And I'll just click on this yellow, just this hue, and click on this yellow and drag it. Okay, to cool like this. So this is not enough, so I'm gonna open here, okay, and come down here, and the red, I'm going to increase this red, okay, and change it to this side, sorry, to this side, not much. Change the hue to the side, okay, and a green, okay. So 59, it's not bad. And the yellow to increase it, and just move this one around here. 21, and just this something cool like this, and just make this one not too much dark, and check it up before and after. Okay, and add this temperature to top cool like this. Okay, so let's see. Yeah, so this one is cool. I'm just trying my best to show you how it is. So yeah, you can try it too, and apply it. Wow. So let's just check before and after. So let me just play it and see how it works. Wow, cool. So this is how you need to work on it, and just take it to this level too. Okay, so I'm showing you I'm showing the color correction and how to take it and to grade everything. So let's come to exposure and just make it down like this, and then come to contrast and just make this cool like this. I don't make here to make too much dark, and I just want to make sure everything's gonna work so cool and perfect. I just need something which is going to make it look more cinematic, and the saturation is going to be cool. More like this. Okay, I'm just gonna turn this one to something like this, because I need to get the Joker color grading and how to do the correction well. So let's see. I want to add something about, the face. It's not coming out too much, so let's try. Let's see how it's gonna work. And I'm gonna turn this to something cool like this. Okay, so let's just check it before and after. Okay, so that's it. I'm going to take this one down, let it down. Okay, and I'm just push and see the other scene. Okay, before and after. Okay, I'm going to apply it. Wow, very nice. And move to the side. Okay, so I've tried 1 2 3 4 and I reached 5. Okay, so I love this scene, and going to try, and let's try and see to add more contrast, like this, and to exposure to something cool like this. Just hold it and drag it like this. Okay, and then just move to hue saturation, and that's not it for us to just change this color. So I'm going to make it not much right, but just ping right like that, and there, saturation. Okay, cool like this. Okay, and I'm going to change something here. I just want to change this one, not much blue, but something cool like this. I need a Gotham green style, so, and move to the temperature and just as this orange something, and I mean using the temperature to add something cool like this. Okay, not much like that, but something cool like this, and just increase the saturation. Okay, and move to contrast. Then add a little bit, some cool on this. Okay, so it checks before and after. Okay, and work on this to make it down like this. Okay, and apply it. So let's see. Wow, this is so cool. So I love it. And this is how it works. So let's just move to this part. So this is the last part. Okay, so this is the last part. I'm going to work on it. So let's just open it. Okay, see how it works. Okay, and move to the exposure and just drag it to top like this, and let's just add the contrast, not much. Okay, and move to the, so you can to make it down like this, and the hue saturation to make the skin tone not something which just need the face to just pop up cool like this, and add the saturation to be more like this, and one to the side, and just add something like this. Okay, then let's check the before and after. Cinema grade is so simple to use, so get one. So cool, you can try it for 7 days trial and see how it works for you. Okay, so that's it. Okay, before and after. So this is how it's working, before and after. So just download it and you can try it. So I'm gonna drop more videos to show you match process and how to use the LUT and how to just I mean just get a lot of things from it to show you how to use Cinema Grade by trying and get one. Okay, so guys, I'm Wick and see you for the next video. Bye.